Yo, what's up with everybody? I know. It's been over a month, over 2 months since I last posted.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
A video of mine where I fully edited it instead of posting all my edits, and even then I still haven't slacking on that spectrum. It's been hard trying to edit something for only editing content as an editor, video editor. So boring. Basically, I'm going to show you how to be getting. I don't really know how to explain it. Let's just say smooth slow motion in particular. Okay, so we're going to be going from this to this. So with that being said, let's get into it. All right. Well, as you can see, on After Effects, this works for any scene in my opinion. And actually, I went on ahead and pre-comp that. There was no need to do that. Basically, this you're gonna want to do this for like a bare scene. Without this is just raw footage before you even pre-comp anything or anything. It's
pretending they're doing their geeks, bro. I was like, what the fuck is this?
This is how we're going to start it. So basically what you want to do is you want to I'll be on 30 frames. I don't know if it's not. I'll be on 30 frames, so that makes my stuff look smoother. I believe without 30, like if you're on the frames that match the frame of which you're editing, like the video you're editing, then it should be smooth. But 30 frames, even better. And I can show you how to match those frames to where it looks like 30 frames and it's like a lot smoother. So I'm going to show you right here. So basically, you see how you move here and there's no movement in between this one frame right here. What you want to do is do this. You want to keep moving through the clip until you fully find all the frames that's not moving, until you get to how long your clip is going to be for this edit. And you can do this for anything, whether it's just just regular slow motion, because I can show you how to do slow motion on here. So I want to speed this up, and I'll get back with y'all when I finish. All right, we finished it. So when you cut out all the frames, you should have this whole thing right here. I'm gonna mute this real quick. So, but you should have all these frames picked off from here, and basically it should be one smooth thing. It goes a little fast, so when we slow it down, that's how we do this. I remember this happening. Let's just cut this off a bit. Come on, dog. What's After Effects problem? I mean, I already set this up before.
Oh no, no.
Anyways, when you get like this, and you went through every clip and everything, and you took out all the steel frames, you want to pre-comp this whole thing into one. Once you pre-comp this whole thing into one, it's just pretty much pre-comped. So now the next thing, which is probably the easiest part out of any, I got it into a preset, so it's easier for me to just boom do it like that, like this. So I put in Twix. I got regular Twix and I got, you know, Twix for slow motion as well. I mix these together sometimes, but sometimes lately I have just been using this one. But basically, when you do that, you want to put on, you know, regular Twixtor, no Twixtor Pro, and then you're gonna, you know, obviously you want to have your frame rate matching the frame rate you're on, and then you want to put it on 80. And then keep motion weighted blend, put that on, and basically keep everything else the same. Do not change anything else. And pretty much, let's show you how this looks once it loads, because you know my computer's slow. I have a trash computer. That's tough, you know. It's sad world we live in nowadays. I don't know. I just sound stupid. I know. Yeah. All right, this is how it should look. You see how smooth that freaking looks? It's like my eyeballs are about to pop out. Like, no, seriously though. This, you know, this is why I like it. It just looks so smooth to me. And you know, obviously, you know, 30 frames, so that's obviously gonna look like 30 frames. And it's just, you know, it just looks a lot better than just your regular one, you know. Kind of reminds you of an HD TV, like some Roku type stuff, you know what I mean? But anyways, that's all I wanted to show y'all for today. I will be coming out with more videos. Actually, this time I just have to brainstorm. I've recently been working a lot lately, so I've been too tired to even do this. But I have some newfound inspiration and motivation, and I just wanna do this, because you know you can't get nowhere unless you're not doing it yourself. I said that the wrong way, but it's pretty much the same thing, you know. The only person that could get you to where you want to be is you. And I've been slacking lately. I know that. So we're gonna get back on that. I got a webcam on the way. I will be getting a better one, but for right now, this is just a test out and get used to the webcam. So you will be seeing a webcam video next, and it might be like a portfolio show reel for, like, you know, because you know I have yet to get a client for editing either, which is unfortunate, but it's probably because I haven't been applying myself. So, like I said, I've been slacking. But lately, you're going to see an upgrade in content, and stay tuned.